Welcome to Profiletraders. This is Reza and you're listening to my market analysis for November the 30th. Looking at the chart of ES here, we are noticing that several times market has tried to break above the 2210 level in order to bring in new energy in and push towards 2250, which has been my upside target, but multiple times we have failed. And today we came and ended up closing at the very low of the day. I have two very important levels here. 121.96, which is of a lesser important, but past that 21.92 is extreme level of support. If we start to break that, market should be wide open for the start of a correction. How far can we go after that? I believe that a drop first towards 21.80 should be quite easy to achieve, and then after that 21.70 should be the downside target. So 21.80 and 21.70 upon a break of 21.92. Let's a little bit take a look at what's going on the big picture daily chart. So we got the election, Trump won, they crashed the market that night only to immediately pick it up, and from that point on it's been a non-stop rally. However, what we can notice is that at that level where we struggle to break above 2210, you notice that today you got a big volume bar pushing to the downside, indicating that some good chunk of capital exited the market, even though that we did not a total destruction in terms of price. But if this struggle up there has resulted into some profit taking starting to kick in, I can only let you imagine that logically, if we start to correct a portion of this leg up that has gone from 2030 all the way up to 2211, there is a lot of room for a correction. I also repeat what I repeated the last time. I believe that the policies of Mr. Trump moving forward is definitely very pro-business, very pro-growth, very friendly to the market, etc., etc. But market has acted as if every single one of his objectives have been successfully reached and that the economy is already full-blown benefiting from it. And we are far, far from that point. Yes, ideas are good, but it has only been good on paper and nothing whatsoever has been achieved in reality, while the market has been going up just parabolically like crazy. So my opinion is that from here on, any kind of a push to the upside has limited potential to succeed. However, the possibility of the start of a correction and a little bit of a comeback to reality is far greater than being able to turn around the market from here and explode up. So if we come up, the first area of significant resistance for me is 2205. Second area of resistance is 2209.5, and then obviously this multiple top that we have tested here anywhere between 2214 to 2215. Now let's take a look at the price of crude oil. You have an OPEC meeting today, and the OPEC meeting, I believe, came out as a result that they agreed on a very slight cut of barrels a day being produced by the OPEC nations, but I can give you one guarantee, is that no matter how much they agreed on production cuts, every single one of them, when they go home, they start to cheat because they need the money from their oil production. So $50 a barrel, in my opinion, we have reached the potential short-term top here. And like I told my trading room today, I see $48 before I see $50. So now the first level of resistance to the upside will be 49.45, then obviously 50, but to the downside we can easily come down first towards 48.22, then 48, and if 48 doesn't hold and we break today's low, this is wide open to drop towards 47.15. So this is it for today. Be careful, tomorrow will be the beginning of month of December. Probably a lot of money will be flowing in and out of the market. We will come out with a new report tomorrow for you, but this was it for today. Thank you for listening. And if you wish to learn market profile, join my trading room. You can get a package covering all my 5 courses and 1 year to my trading room for $550, and there is a 30 days money back guarantee attached to that. Take a look and see if it's suitable for you. Thank you and have a good night.